going on here?
Heading down to the more hot part of the US. Florida, Bradenton. Going to do some test and tune. To maybe two fast tracks to test it.
Alright, let's go. This is kind of cool if you ask me, but they're all gas pumps.
Så lång, men det är inte som sätta max. Den som kommer från backen i bak.
Carbon? If it was carbon, you would. Jag kan bara en. Så det kan missa.
Ja, två kan jag ha. Ser du? Loggan.
Hade de inte Karlssons klister på den här?
Jag måste ha glömt det.
What happened, Stefan?
It was some bad glue on the carbon fiber drive shaft. So we just spun the carbon fiber drive shaft on the aluminium joint in the burnout. So yeah, it's tough shit. But we have the old Tromoli drive shaft with us.
All right.
Måste få loss joken nu.
Ja, jag tänkte om vi kan gå över till honom. Så jag frågar om vi kan få honom. Vad heter det?
Volvo. Actually, it's not that bad because it's let's see, it'll be better.
Last piece. Now it's on.
Sure.
Så det som händer kan vara.
Change some in the map.
To see what it does. If we come up on the brake, how much pounds we got on the brake. It just went loose right after the release the trans brake.
Back to the drawing board. What's the difference made?
Lower the start line RPM a bit. I'm trying to do a decent burnout this time.
What does the doctor say? Too much power?
I don't know yet. We have to see the logs. Half a second, I always at 6,500.
Check and see where it's at, but you got to get the right setup. Now you should check it. You know, with 6.5 half needed to burn out. See what it binds it up. It slows it down. A little bit of rear steer. It should have an 1/8 of an inch. Car will just go 660, 650.
Yeah, we're on half inch now.
Det går typ 2 millimeter på. Hoppade han ur i huset här för att kunna komma in med muttern.
Då kommer du få lika mycket på andra sidan.
Å andra sidan kan jag inte ta någonting.
When we lower the drive shaft speed, so it hooked and not shaked. And it was turned. Position. So I have tuned it for how I want to drive it for the last 10 hours, so I can tune the laptop for exactly that position.
That's what caused the tire to turn, the whole car to turn right. I'm not sure if it's methanol because it's already dry.
Oh.
But you see it right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's fluid in that tire mark.
So what are we doing?
Taking away power.
More power.
So it goes straighter.
Okay, so we're here at the end. It did not deploy the parachutes. We're gonna have to check the brakes. Something is not quite right, but we're gonna check it out, get the time.
Well over
Probably
190.
just like put a little, make it a 680.
Yeah.
So it started to rain. So we're late. Yeah.
Yeah. Now we are leaving Bradenton. Been 10 runs today. Most of them wasn't what we expected when we came here. The first one we lost the carbon drive shaft, the glue in it, so we lost it in the burnout. Had to send Freddie and Pelle over to Freedom Factory to get our chromoly drive shaft put together again. But after that we did some tire shake, and it was shaking and shaking and went right and right. So we took out some rear steer. We brought down the power. We was starting with around 20 psi of boost, and we was on the last run we had 8 pounds of boost, and ramping at a lot slower than we have ever done before. So it's more power in the engine now than we ever had. It went to 666 and has a lot of more to grow in. The rain came, as you can see. So we only got one 693 and one 666. So we have to finish up with that. I needed 2 690 and below for the license, but we can't do that. So I hope we can aim for some average between them or something. Pelle is making everything watertight. It's like 10 hours of drive now to North Carolina, and after that we have like 8 more to Baltimore, and after that like 3 hours more to New York. 8 hours on the flight, then we're back home in Sweden again for like 20 days. Then we're going back and going Sick Week. It will be awesome.